How long have there been tigers? Definitely as long as this song. Mark Trail here with Science Sundays. There have been tigers roaming the jungles for over 2 million years. Part of the Panthera genus, they split from other felines over 5 million years ago. Tigers play an important part in maintaining healthy ecosystems. Sadly, their population has declined 97% since the beginning of the last century. It is estimated that there are less than 5,500 tigers left in the wild. Let's do what we can to support conservation and keep these beautiful creatures around for another 2 million years.